Silent shooting and blending in are essential skills for street photographers who want to capture authentic moments without disrupting them. The quieter and less noticeable you are, the more natural the street remains. In many ways, silence is not just technical. It is behavioral. Modern cameras have made silent shooting more accessible than ever. Electronic shutters allow you to photograph without sound, removing one of the most obvious signals that a photo has been taken. This single change can dramatically improve your ability to work close to people without altering their behavior. However, silent shooting alone is not enough. Blending in is about how you carry yourself in public space. The goal is not to hide, but to belong. When you appear calm, relaxed, and unremarkable, people pay less attention to you and continue their natural behavior. One of the most effective ways to blend in is through body language. Move slowly and deliberately. Avoid sudden gestures. Clothing choices also matter. Neutral, simple clothing helps you avoid standing out. Avoid bright colors, logos, or anything that draws attention. You want to look like part of the environment rather than a visitor observing it. A compact setup encourages natural moments. Blending in also involves choosing positions wisely. Standing still and letting the street flow around you often works better than constantly moving. When you stop, people adjust to your presence and quickly forget about you. Silent shooting allows you to work intuitively. Without the sound of a shutter, you can photograph multiple moments without interruption. This supports better timing and anticipation. The street continues uninterrupted and authenticity is preserved. Eye contact plays an important role. Constantly avoiding eye contact can appear suspicious. Brief, calm eye contact followed by neutrality communicates confidence. You are not hiding, you are simply present. Another technique is shooting from the hip or using waist-level screens. These methods allow discreet framing while maintaining awareness of your surroundings. However, discretion should never replace respect. If someone clearly expresses discomfort, lower the camera. Blending in also means understanding social rhythms. Every location has its own pace and behavior. Observing before shooting helps you align with that rhythm. When your movement matches the environment, you become less noticeable. Silent shooting is especially valuable in quiet spaces such as public transport, small streets, or moments of emotional vulnerability. In these situations, sound can break the moment. Silence preserves it. Ethics remain central. Being unnoticed does not mean ignoring responsibility. Silent tools should never be used to exploit or deceive. Respectful intent must guide every decision. As you practice silent shooting and blending in, your confidence grows. You stop worrying about being seen and start focusing on seeing. The camera becomes quieter. Your presence becomes lighter. When done well, silent shooting does not remove you from the street. It integrates you into it. And when you truly blend in, the street reveals itself honestly. That honesty is the foundation of strong street photography.